Kids ask me what kind of joystick I use. When you play all day, you need a stick that's comfortable and stands up to a lot of gameplay. That's why I like the ultimate remote from Bishu. It's my favorite because it's cordless. You don't have to worry about getting tied up in the cables and cords, and you can really move with the action. It also has automatic firing and move with the action. Perfect for section of the game. It worked great on bone. As a special bonus, you can call Bishu, and they'll send you a bonus and a special note from me, Rogers, Skip, World Video Game Champion. Ask your parents, then call them up. Tell them Skip sent you.